Hello and welcome to English Buddy, where English feels simple and fun.
Hey, we are happy you are here today.
Today we start something a little different.
Oh, what is different?
We are going to talk about how to practice English outside the classroom.
Outside the classroom. I like that.
This is the first episode in a short series.
So, more good stuff is coming.
That's right. One idea at a time. Let's start.
Emma, can I ask you something?
Of course.
I study English. I go to class. But outside class, I don't know what to do.
That is a very real feeling, Ben.
Like, class ends, and then what?
Such a good question. That is what we talk about today.
I need this. I really need this.
Okay. So I want to share something with you.
I am listening.
When I was young, my school taught mostly grammar.
Grammar. Yeah, me too.
A lot of rules. Not much listening. Not much speaking.
So, how did you learn to speak?
I practiced by myself. Outside the classroom.
By yourself? How?
I started with something simple. English songs.
Songs? Really?
Slow songs. I just listened. Again and again.
And that helped?
At first, I could not catch every word,
Yeah, that sounds hard.
but I did not stop. I just listened more.
Like, training your ears?
That's it. Your ears get used to it, slowly.
Oh. So it is like going to the gym. But for your ears.
That is a great way to say it, Ben.
So songs helped you listen. But what about speaking?
Good question. I also looked for chances to speak.
Chances? Like where?
Outside the classroom, in real life.
Wait, outside class?
Sometimes I saw a tourist, lost, looking at a map.
Oh, and you talked to them.
I walked over. I offered to help.
But what if your English was not perfect?
It was not perfect. It was simple English.
Simple English?
Simple English means short sentences, simple words, no big grammar.
And the tourist understood you?
Right. Because the goal is not perfect grammar.
So what is the goal?
Communication. Can they understand you? That is enough.
Wow. That changes how I think about it.
When I helped someone and they understood me, I have more confidence, like my English was useful.
That must have felt amazing.
It did, and that feeling made me want to practice more.
So the more you use it, the more you want to use it.
That's the cycle. Use it. Have more confidence. Use it again.
I never thought about English like that before.
Most people think English is only for the classroom,
Yeah, study, test, done.
but English is everywhere. Songs, signs, people.
Like the supermarket?
Good example. Labels. Packages. You see a vegetable. You know it in your language, but not in English.
Oh, I do that. I look at the label.
That is learning. Right there, in the supermarket.
I never thought that counted.
It counts. Every small moment counts. Okay, here is today's tip. One simple idea.
I am ready.
Do not wait for class to practice English.
Practice outside too.
That's right. Find one small thing you can do today.
Like, listen to one English song?
Perfect. Or read one label at the supermarket.
Or say hello to one tourist?
Exactly. One small thing. That is enough.
Small steps every day.
Small steps every day add up to something real.
Emma, I feel more confident already.
Good. That is exactly how it should feel.
English is not just for the classroom.
It is for your life. Every day. Everywhere.
More episodes coming, right?
Yes. Next time we go deeper into one method.
I cannot wait for that.
To everyone listening, thank you for being here today.
You are already doing something. That matters.
Keep going. Small steps add up. We believe in you.
See you in the next one.
Practice for 15 minutes today. We are proud of you. English Buddy.